Good morning and welcome to a fascinating journey through time and literature. In today's session, we're delving into the captivating world of Old English literature, exploring the stories, characters, and cultural shifts that shaped an era. The early struggles for dominance on English soil involved the Romans, Celts, and others. The Celts, original inhabitants, sought help from the Anglo-Saxons and Jutes to fend off invasions. These tribes didn't just assist the Celts, they eventually established dominance, and the land became known as the realm of the Anglo-Saxons. While the Anglo-Saxons prevailed, the Celts found new homes in Cornwall, Wales, Ireland, and Scotland, leaving behind their Celtic languages. The Anglo-Saxon period wasn't a time of tranquility. The Danes and Vikings brought new challenges, and we witnessed the emergence of the Danelaw and the influence of Norse culture. Amidst the chaos, Christianity took root in Anglo-Saxon England. King Ethelbert's conversion marked a turning point, shaping the legacy of church and Christianity. As the Anglo-Saxon era came to an end, the Norman Conquest reshaped England's landscape, bringing with it a new chapter in history. Now, let's explore Beowulf, a heroic epic that has captivated generations. This tale of bravery, monsters, and warrior culture offers insights into Anglo-Saxon life. Why is Beowulf still relevant today? J.R.R. Tolkien's analysis and its cinematic adaptations keep the spirit of this ancient tale alive. The Old English script is quite distinct from the language we know today. Its intricate characters and phonetics open a window to the past. Enter King Alfred, a true advocate of learning. His translations, including Venerable Bede's Ecclesiastical History, marked a turning point in English prose. One of Alfred's greatest achievements was the Anglo-Saxon Chronicle, a historical treasure documenting events from ancient times to his era. As we conclude our journey, we can't ignore the profound role of Christianity. Monasteries, clerics, and religious themes intertwined with literature, leaving an indelible mark. And there you have it, a glimpse into the vibrant tapestry of Old English literature. From epic battles to spiritual awakenings, this era shaped the literary landscape we know today. Thank you for joining me on this enlightening expedition. Stay curious, and until next time, keep exploring the world of words.